Hello, welcome to our instructional video series. This instructional video is on how to attach the bucket to the loader of your compact tractor. Brought to you by Legacy Tractors.
Hi, I'm Gary at Legacy Tractors. I'm going to show you how to attach the bucket to the loader on this here. First of all, you need to look at the edge of this. The edge of your loader has to go to the edge of the bucket here. And what we do is we line that up, and then we just angle these down so that it'll go underneath the metal here, and we'll just scoop it up, tilt it back, and put the arms down to lock it in place. I'll start the tractor now and see what we can do. The bucket back so it lines up with the holes, and you just push the arms down and your bucket is attached and ready to go.